Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Theophilus Josh Wilson. I'm from the Faculty of Economic UNU and I'm going to do an assessment to make an English video for track 3. We begin by examining the 6-component Harrier listening model, which serves as a framework for building up your listening skill. Competence in each component is developed by acquiring appropriate attitude, learning relevant principles, and demonstrating specific information. The letter in Harrier represents 6 interrelated listening process: hearing, understanding, remembering, interpreting, evaluating, and responding. Hearing. Hearing involves the accurate reception of sound. To hear, you must focus your attention on the speaker, discriminate among sounds, and concentrate. It is also necessary to understand the physiological aspect of hearing and the principles that govern attention. In addition to learning techniques that improve your concentration, you will also be introduced to the effect of listener apprehension and the importance of nonverbal attending behavior. Understanding. The ability to understand what you hear, listening comprehension, improve with practice. A number of processes involved in comprehension are intrapersonal. That is, they take place inside your head. This section familiarizes you with the nature of human information processing and the concept of inner speech. You learn willingness to help you improve your understanding of messages as you develop strategy to build your vocabulary as appropriate question and take efficient notes. Remembering. There has been a great deal of research on memory. Remembering is essential if you intend to apply what you have here in future situations. It is to acquaint you with the three basic memory system and the work that has been done in listening, training, and assessment with regard to memory process. You will learn technique for retaining and recalling information as well the obstacle that inhibit memory. Creative approaches to problem solving are also addressed. Interpreting. When you interpret a message, you do two things. First, you take into account the total communication context so that you are better able to understand the meaning of what is said from the speaker's point of view. Your ability to empathize, or to see a situation from the other person's perspective requires that you pay attention to emotional meaning and the communication context. Second, effective listener let their partner know that they have been understood. It is important to understand nonverbal gestures such as facial expression, body posture, eye behavior, silence, and vocal cues so that you can develop greater sensitivity to this important dimension of the communication context. Evaluating. You listen from a unique point of view and are influenced by your perceptual filter, your past experience, attitudes, personal value, and predisposition. It is therefore impossible not to evaluate to some extent everything you hear. Understanding the principle of logics and reasoning and the recognizing bias, stereotyping, propaganda, and other factors that might influence the conclusion you draw are essential. Effective listener, as you might suspect, deliberately reduce in the influence of their own viewpoint until they have first understood the speaker's ideas. Objectively, in the sense in it is a prerequisite to making wise evaluation. This unit sensitive you to leeway and propaganda and proves willingness for assessing the speaker's credibility. Responding. Your partner makes judgment regarding the quality of your listening based regularly on the nature of your response. The approach is that communication views its participant as both speaker and listener. The higher model incorporates your response as an integral part of the listening process. This approach suggests that effective listener analyze the communication situation and purpose, and then cause as appropriate responding from an alternative. Once again, you can see the listening is a prerequisite to formulating and approaches responding. Thank you everyone.